Man, fixing to call Evan and see how he's liking his kit.
Hello?
Hey, Evan.
Michael, how are you, man?
Hey, man, doing fine, brother. I was just thinking about you, man, and wondering how you still liking the kit.
Dude, that kit is killing, man. It sounds incredible. Everyone loves it. Like everyone, like not even just drummers. Anytime I take it out, everyone wants to know about it.
It's not loose, it's hard. If I can center it up really good, I'm gonna try to incorporate in there.
My style is blues. I wanted a legitimate pro kit that I can take to bigger gigs or what have you. I decided why not call Michael Outlaw and get a full kit to go with my snare drums. And so I called him 3 months ago. He told me he had just gotten a load of Cedar. It was really nice, and I was like, all right, man. You're the boss, man. You know more than me. And I told him what size drums I wanted. He kind of just took it from there. So when I saw the kit for the first time, I was very impressed. The pictures, they don't do it justice, man. The kit is absolutely beautiful. The tone that I can get out of these drums is actually a lot better than I was expecting. Because I didn't know anything about Cedar. The thing is mean, man. That bass drum sounds unbelievable. The toms are perfect amount of ringy without being obnoxious. They are just nice and round and very warm drums.
Dude, the drums are treating me very well.
Okay.
You're treating me very, very well.
This kit is actually very loud, so it's gonna help me out a lot when I go to my rock gigs. Because I can still play as hard as I'm used to playing, which I guess is relatively light. I will still get the volume I need out of it.
I'll talk at you later, man. You take care, bro.